Hello everyone, so today in this video we are going to look at the local and global scope of a variable in function. So if we are defining a variable inside a function, we can say that particular variable is a local to this function. And if you are defining a variable outside a function, then we are saying that variable is a global variable and you can access that variable in any function inside the program. So let's run this block of code, and here you can see the local variable is 100 and global variable is 200. Let's try one more scenario in that the local and global variable share same variable name, and here you can see com_var is the name we are using for the both local and global variable. And when we run this, we can see the both answers are 100 because right now we are accessing the local variable. Now let's copy this line and paste here, and when I run this program again, you can see this is the local variable now, this common variable, and when I printing outside this function, you can see the 200 is printed. Generally we don't use same name for the local and global, but yeah, this is the scenario to talk. Now let's see scenario 3, in that we wanted to access global variable inside a function and we want to modify the value of that global variable. Can we do that using such a syntax? So let's see, and here you can see we get into an error, invalid syntax, because we cannot access and at the same time change the value of a global variable. Now let's solve scenario 3. So if you want to use global variable inside your function, then you need to declare your same variable with this global keyword inside the function, and on the next line you can change the value of a global variable. So this is how you can access the global variable inside the function and you can change the value of a global variable. So that's it about local and global scope of a variable in a function. Thank you.